So let me look at my view on BTC. Yeah, my view on BTC is yesterday. I kind of something to look at here. So BTC is kind of showing us some beautiful move. There's possibility of BTC breaking out of oncoming this high, like so, coming back like this for start heading this high. This is what I'm looking at for BTC. If you have BTC doing something like so, I will long BTC. I'm gonna long BTC. Yeah, I'll long BTC like so. So one day should become a counter trend like confirmation that we're going to the upside. So I'll long BTC to this level. Yeah, but if anything may happen, maybe this may not happen. We may have something like this. We have something like this. So anyhow, I'll enter the markets. I will participate and make money. Yeah, I made from here. I'll share the screenshot on it. I made from this move here down to this level, something like this. Yeah. We made from it. So what is my look on gold? Quick preview. No, the market is active already, so just going through all of them quickly. Yeah, go to we're kind of looking at this is not. I don't like this one. I just want a move X, so something like this. I want something like this. The test and this is what I'm looking for good. And I'll participate. Then I'll go to 15-minute time frame. To 15-minute time frame to look for change of character. We have book of structure here, change of character here. You can see, so change of structure here already is bullish. So unless there should be this level, so that's it for gold. And US oil, US oil. Yeah, initially as far as initially on oil, I wanted to short it, but this thing is not clear. So shorting here will make sense. Now let's go to 15-minute time frame and see the change. It's beautiful, so maybe participate in. No, I don't see it. It's not good for me. This spaces, I don't like it empty. Liquidity sweeping happen here. This level. Coming. Market may take out this level. This is high for. Anyhow, let's see what market is almost tending to take away this high. Take away this level, this high here. For any move, Yeah, so I don't know anything the market do. I don't predict what to do, what the market does. I follow make money. That's it. S&P 500, a few of them. Yes, beautiful. This is what I'm waiting for. I was waiting for it for almost maybe 6 years myself. Some days, seriously, look at it. Look at it. Let me zoom in. Let me expand the chart very well. So you see. Yes, I was initially waiting for this to play out, to come back. This thing almost tempted me. I missed this trade here. From this level, I missed the trade. So I was waiting for this market to come. Feel this FIFA goes crazy. So when I adjust this level, yeah. So my entry should be adjusted here. Now, something I want to see. I want to see something like this. See this high? If it's possible, we can fake it out. First, fake it out. You understand? Then come back in. Book of structure, right? Yes, come back in. Change of character from the lower time frame. retest. If it's possible this level, then I'll start selling to the downside. This is what I'm looking at. Let's go to 1 hour and see something. Can we see? So this, I feel there are stop losses here. So I'll take it at this high that I'm looking at. So from this level, 1 hour executor entry. So that's it. We have what is entered. Yeah, GBP USD. This is what I was looking at initially. It's activated, but the reason I'm not still interested is, let's look at this thing together. This is wrong. Now I'm drawing from this level. This level is right. So let's wait for the breakout contest here. Let's sell. Or anyhow, a break from here, or we can take this one like this. Take this one like this. So yeah. So this that happens here. So maybe you can see it on 15 minutes. We have lows here. So it's possible it's making one shy of. So one a good candle breakout, in the sense that if like high like this, I mean that I can see it. So I want to see push out like this in again. Do you understand? So kind of confirmation candle here again. Then maybe retest it like that. The confirmation is too much, but initially is what you're looking at. Initially this is what I'm looking at. Okay, that's something like this. Yes, yes, is what I'm looking at initially. So I'll sell. But this is just a short trade, a very short trade, a very short one, very short one, very short trade. So just short it to the outside. So Euro USD. I won't touch all the pairs. So Euro USD something. So USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. Got my setup on this one. So I'm taking a high, really high. 1:5, yes. Reason why is now let me zoom in to 4 hours. Go to 4 hours movement. Shift to the 4 hours time frame. So 4 hours time frame. Can we see? Let me zoom in. Now beautiful. So can we see this candle? Let's see an engulfing candlestick above this. Beautifully, I would prefer it to be on 1 hours. 1 hours. Can we see what I'm saying? So if this candlestick be close above, just something like this. Just something. If this candlestick close something like this. Are we getting it? So, or let's say we form the resistance. No, look at it. This is it. So when it comes to from high like this, now how long is? So this is for my setup. So I'm waiting. I'm peacefully waiting for this move. USD looking at the peers. Not really interested. The end of the day. Yes, this is beautiful. I was initially waiting for this. So let's see it plays along. Let's see play along for us. So for us, we haven't. Let me shoot this. We haven't broken it. We haven't broken it. We just kind of we're not seeing this level, this counter trend line. You can remove a counter trend if you want to, but I love for this, so I'll be protected, And so from 1 hours, let's see next. Very, very, very short. Initially, it is confirmed that we are going bearish. I want to take close like this, or short. Or short this. Yeah, the money is already active, so maybe But I would prefer something like this. I can still read and look at it. We have something like this. Shy of come high. Something like this high. We broke out. Now, why not take out this high like this? I mean, the closest are here. This high should be taken. This level, I want it to be taken and come back like this. Taste. Then I'll participate. It's my view to it. I'll participate in this. But anyhow, you can still participate from here. You can start selling here. You can sell here. You can sell here. You can sell here on your stop loss. Your stop loss should be maybe higher than this. Oh yeah, I'm not sure. Should be higher like this because this is one. So let's see how many pips is it, so you'll not be scared. So you sold here. So let's just 170 pips, 170 pips. So you have your 1 to 3. It's okay. It's just wait for it to be smashed. But you take it to the downside. Or you go to 15 minutes to see maybe there anything you can see. You can see change of character. Can we see bullish, but you stay bullish. You stay bullish. You haven't make a change of. So you have to have a change of character before you engage yourself. So me, I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet. So I want a change of character from this lower time frame before I engage. Change of character to the bearish side. This is, you can see, to the bullish side is bullish. So I want it to be like this. I retest, then I'll start selling. So I think that's all for my peers. That's my peers. So I don't have anything else hidden. So this is beautiful. I love this. But initially, this is the change on topic of spirit outside. We change of character here, but I want it to be here. I'm not change of, let's say change of character because it's very bearish. So initially, this is where the change of character began. So one, pull back. They pull back. They pull back like so, like this. Then, what I'm saying, exactly. So that's it. God bless you. Stay tuned. Subscribe, share, and you will receive more from me every day. Not every day, sorry, weekly basis. What I'm looking at. Yeah. God bless you. Peace out.